Yeah, so the Shandong province is famous for seafood. The Qingdao city is near to the coast. There's a lot of seafood here, but it's a bit big to order for only one person. So I'm gonna see what they have, and of course have some dumplings as well.
就是大的，
很大，这个也很大。
这个一盆儿。
你觉得哪个是最好吃的？我觉得这个。对。Great to get some good help here. Fantastic. Let's try this soup and some dumplings. Gonna scan the QR codes here and trying to connect. People think I'm really weird recording in the background. Ooh, I think I'll get the dumplings here. We got the nice dumplings here, steaming hot. That is looking tasty. Wow, we got the spicy fish here. We got the dumplings. That is looking pretty crazy. Taking away all the chilies here. Nice. Okay, so we got all the amazing food there. We got the nice dumplings finally, as you can see here. Looking tasty. And we have the fish here. That's a lot of nice tasty fish, as you can see. And we also get the nice skewers here on the side. That guy helped me to order this. I only want the beef one, don't want to have too many calories, but I'm gonna enjoy this and try it out. So it's gonna be very nice. Adding a bit of vinegar to dip with dumplings. Just check out this beautiful dumpling here, looking nice. Let's try it. Very nice. Pork and onion. Let's try to dig out this fish here. Looking crazy. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it actually. I think I need a separate plate for this. We got some of the nice spicy fish here. Let's try it. Bit spicy. Very nice. Here we get the whole fins here. Very nice. All the chilies. Spicy. Got crazy much fish here. Yeah, I don't think you have to worry about the protein intake today, for sure. Ooh, hot. Very, very nice. A bit of a chili here with the bean sprouts. Great. Fantastic. You can add a bit of a chili oil here. Not sure if you can see it. Add a little bit here. Nice. You can take the dumpling here and dip it a bit here in this nice sauce. Looking spicy and nice. Wow. That is some good dumpling. Very nice. Yeah, fish is a bit of a bonus here, but the dumplings, wow, really good. Let me have another one. That chili sauce combo is amazing. Take a look. So good. Okay, we also got these skewers here. One smaller lamb skewer, just a bonus. Straight from the grill. That's very nice. Apparently I picked the lamb one. I thought it was beef, but this is the beef one. This beef one also looks amazing. Ooh, let's try it out. Capture. Very, very nice. Spicy, nice. Too much sure. So many big nice pieces here. Oh, that's amazing. So good. Sure. These dumplings are crazy. The fish was a good bonus, but the dumplings are insanely good. Definitely come back for more. Yeah, I definitely have a lot of fish to finish up with, so I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this chat with my new friend here, and then see you very soon. Bye bye. So my friend is living here, but it's very nice meeting new people. Yes. See you later. Nice to meet you. Thank you for helping out. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. We're smoking in the background, drinking a lot of beer and bajo. Not me. It's Monday. Maybe next time. Whew, so that was a very nice meal, as you can see. Very big, a lot more than I planned, but that's what happens when you're in China. Too much good food to say no to. Even got some skewers here from just next door. So some fish, some amazing dumplings, and also some skewers. Didn't finish all of those vegetables. Absorbs a lot of oil, and I want to stay in shape, but super enjoyable. So I'm just gonna finish it off here, take a bit of a walk here, enjoy the night view a little bit. Super nice, explore more. But if you enjoyed it, if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, let me know what you think, what you want to see up next. If so, I'm gonna go and explore it for you. So if you want to see more, give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.